Thank you for checking out my channel. Spring is in the air, and for a lot of people this means a new opportunity, changes to nature, freshness, as well as love, but spring cleaning also comes to mind. For some people, they do this before the year starts, and for some people, March or this time is the time that people really get into spring cleaning. Now, I like to say every time that you throw away, remove some kind of clutter, you are opening up yourself for new opportunities and new things to enter in. But I also understand that for some individuals, such as busy professionals, finding the time to actually go ahead with spring cleaning can be a challenge, but it doesn't have to be, and I'm going to offer some very simple solutions that you can implement right now to help with your spring cleaning, create freshness in the home, and give you a new feel to your environment. So the first thing I would say when it comes to spring cleaning is to decide how much time you are going to invest in this process. For some people, you can do it right away. You may have a small home or you're in an apartment and it's not really a huge thing. You don't have a lot of clutter, or it's going to be a fast process. So regardless of your situation, decide, will I be investing one day, a week, a month? And I don't know if you really want to go much longer than that, but think about how much time you are actually going to invest. And what areas of your home do you really want to tackle the most and invest the most time in cleaning and decluttering? Now, after you decided how much time you're going to invest, the next thing to do is to pick the area that you're actually going to clean and set your alarm for 10 minutes to invest in cleaning that space. Now, the reason I say that is because it might sound a little bit like bad advice because you're not necessarily going to finish it all, but the thing that you're doing is tricking the mind in a way to get started with the process and then continue. Because once the alarm goes off, the 10 minutes is up, you'll find that you're already in the middle of this task or this cleaning project, and then you'll just say, okay, I want to finish it off, and then decide I'll move on to something else if you still have the momentum, or just decide I'm going to wrap it up and then continue on tomorrow. So investing that 10 minutes, that may extend to a little bit further. After you have taken the 10 minutes or you've completed doing that area, another thing you can do if you find that you have a bigger job or you have family members, you're not single, then you can get them involved in the process as well. Giving them a little bit of the work to do areas, assigning tasks so that there's more hands-on, and then you can actually complete cleaning the home. People take ownership of the work that they've done, and they're more than likely want to maintain that space because they've invested the time in cleaning. So these are just very simple solutions, 3 very simple actions that you can take to help with your spring cleaning, especially if you are a busy professional. Now, for individuals who are like, I just don't have the time to do that, then you can also invest in working with an organizer or someone who's going to be able to just come into the home to do the cleaning if you have that resource available to you, because there are people who are very specialized in the area of cleaning and they can come in to do that for you. But if you just need some help with organizing or creating systems and discussing systems that you can put in place for when you do bring things into the home, knowing where to put them, because that's where the clutter really starts. When we bring things into the home and we don't have a place to put them, we use it and we just drop them anywhere. That's what creates the clutter, and over time it just builds up, and then that's what causes the anxiety around it and not wanting to necessarily have to clean up, and you're just living with all that, I would say, clutter in your space. So if you try these things, they will be very beneficial for you. On a note before I go, just make sure you're paying attention to what cleaning products that you're using or chemicals, because you don't want those things to cause any harm to you. So I hope this is helpful for anyone who is getting into the spring cleaning, looking to start it, or thinking about how to maximize the cleaning and minimize the stress that's associated with it. My name is Mara, Productivity and Confident Consultant, and remember to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications to access more videos regarding productivity and confidence in your personal, professional, social life. I'll see you in the next video.